Horses are strong animals that people ride and use for work on farms. Spelling H-O-R-S-E, horse. Hippos are large, water-loving animals with big mouths and strong jaws. Spelling H-I-P-P-O-T-A-M-U-S, hippopotamus. Hawks are birds of prey with sharp talons and great eyesight. Spelling H-A-W-K, hawk. Hamsters are small, furry pets that love to run on wheels and burrow. Spelling H-A-M-S-T-E-R, hamster. Hedgehogs are small animals covered in spines and curl up into balls. Spelling H-E-D-G-E-H-O-G, hedgehog. Honeybees are insects that make honey and help pollinate flowers. Spelling H-O-N-E-Y-B-E-E, honeybee. Herons are long-legged birds that wade in water and catch fish. Spelling H-E-R-O-N, heron. Hyenas are scavengers known for their unique laughing sounds. Spelling H-Y-E-N-A, hyena. Hornbills are birds with large, curved beaks that live in tropical forests. Spelling H-O-R-N-B-I-L-L, hornbill. Hummingbirds are tiny birds that hover in the air and sip nectar from flowers. Spelling H-U